Lahat po ba may national ID na, ma'am? Because, and may we know ilan po ang may national ID na sa ating bansa?
Wait lang. Sir, we have ongoing registration naman po, but as of now, we have a total of 90 million already people that have been issued already with PhilSys number. With PhilSys number, it ensures po the uniqueness of the person already because we already verified through its biometric information the uniqueness of the person. So this number can already download their their national ID actually through the eGov PH for those who have not yet received their physical IDs yet.
So you're
So
saying
a big portion of the population already has been registered with
how many?
90 million
90 million Filipinos.
as of
Ilan ho ba ang target
October.
ninyo?
For this year's
No, I mean na total na target na maabot po na lahat na magka-ID ng mga adults po.
sir. We'll check for the
Yes, and may we know na anong age po ba ang pwede ng magka-ID kung siya by senior high school, senior college hanggang
Nag-start na po kami, sir, ng registration ng 0 to 4.
0
But
to 4.
initially po, ang registration ng national ID started ng 18 and above. Pero po, from ngayon po, 0 to 4, we are, especially of children registration, yun po yung naging priority na rin po of the national ID ngayon. Pero initially po, the 0 to 4, wala pa pong biometric capture po sila.
Ang problema rin po natin, ma'am, napapansin ho namin, mabuti nandito po kayo, ang reklamo po sa amin, na matagal na po sila nakapagrehistro, meron po silang PhilSys number. Ang problem po, wala pa pong physical yung card po, na yung parang driver license po nila.
Yes po, we recognize po the ano po.
Kailan po kaya darating yan, ma'am? Kasi ako, ma'am, matagal na po ako nagpa-register sa PhilSys. May PhilSys po, sa DSWD pa po ako. Pero hanggang ngayon, ala pa po
Yes.
akong
Sa ngayon po,
physical card.
yes po, the physical card po, we ensure naman po that it will be provided to all those without the physical card yet. But initial stopgap measures po for this is the issuance po of the national ID in paper format and the national ID in the eGov PH, which is the digital national ID.
Ang problem po kasi natin, ma'am, pag yung mga papel-papel lang muna, temporary, parang driver license noon, napepeke po ito. Iyon po yung sinasabi natin, baka hindi tanggapin ng mga agencies pag humingi ng assistance or ayuda. Ang hinihingi po ID, photo ID. Kung papel-papel lang po ito, baka hindi po ito tatanggapin. Yun ang nagiging, ano ba palang muna ang problema? Bakit po nagkaka-delay tayo na ma-issuehan lahat itong 90 million ng physical card, ng card mismo? Ano ang problem?
Initially po, sir, there has been a problem in terms of the printing of the cards. So wala po ngayong ongoing na printing of the cards.
Walang printing ng national ID.
Apo.
Kailan magre-resume yung printing?
I need to verify po yung official na resumption of the printing of
Alright.
card.
Okay. My next question is, ilan na po ang may physical ID? Ilan na po?
I'll retrieve po the necessary information.
Well, I'll get back to you. Ano po? Gusto ko po yung malaman, ilan na po ang may physical ID? Kailan po magre-resume ang pagbibigay ng ID? Kasi pinagmamalaki po natin lagi, national ID, ala naman pa pala po. So, balikan po natin. Sige po.
But responding din, sir, on in terms of the physical ID, the national ID in paper format and the digital national ID, all these three formats of the national ID have the same functionality and should be accepted in all government and private transactions. Yung pong pagbibigay po nitong national ID na to,
we're talking about the plastic card, ma'am.
Yes, for
Kailan ho kaya yun, yung plastic card na yan?
the resumption of the printing po, I'll get back na lang po.
Sige po, okay.